In this tutorial, I'll be explaining if-else statements. At certain positions in life, we have to take some decision. An example is after finishing the junior secondary school education. You have to decide your class in the senior secondary school. The decision is primarily based on what you like to be in the future. Basically, there are three choices. We have the science class, we have the social science, and we have the art class. A student who likes to be a medical doctor or an engineer, then he has to choose science class. A student who likes to be an economist or an accountant or a business administrator, then he has to choose social science. And a student who likes mass communication or he likes to be a lawyer, then he has to choose art class. Decision making is very common in software development, and for this reason, a special syntax has been dedicated to it. This syntax is known as if-else statement. Now let us represent our example using the if-else statement. And this is the statement. The first condition is if you like to be a medical doctor, then you have to choose science class. This statement here is known as condition. A condition can either be true or false. When the condition is true, then this block of code will be executed. The codes between these two curly braces. This line of codes will be executed. This can be 2, 3, 4, 10 lines of code. Everything between these curly braces is going to be executed. This is known as block of code. But if this condition is false, the line of execution comes to the second condition. Do I like to be an accountant? This is also a condition, which is either true or false. When it is true, this is going to be executed. But if it is false, the line of execution jumps here. Else if I like to be a lawyer, this is also a condition. This is also true or false. If it is true, the lines of code here will be executed, or if it is false, then the line of execution comes here.